Good evening. I'm Rutabaga Shabazi. Pat Harvey is off tonight. A stunning reversal tonight. The feds are dropping all charges in one of their most high-profile cases following last summer's ICE raids in Southern California. Prominent labor leader David Huerta is facing federal charges, but tonight his legal nightmare is over. CBS LA political reporter Tom Waite is here to explain why the case may have fallen apart. Tom.
Right, it's a big one too. I mean, a lot of people heard about this, a lot of people talking about it last summer when it happened, and now we have a conclusion basically to it. David Huerta leads one of California's largest labor unions, so it was big news when he was arrested last summer during an immigration raid in downtown LA. He says he was legally protesting. The feds claimed he was interfering with their operation. First they downgraded the charges, now they're dropping them. Video shows the tense and chaotic moments labor leader David Huerta was arrested by federal agents last summer as the Trump administration launched a wave of immigration raids across Southern California. Huerta was charged with felony obstruction. Months later, that charge was reduced, and now it's been dropped.
The charge against me was baseless, meant to intimidate anyone who dares to speak out, organize, or demand justice.
Huerta, who is president of one of California's largest labor groups, the Service Employees International Union, says he was legally protesting the raid when he was arrested. Huerta posted this video after the judge officially dropped the charges.
My actions, however infuriating to the federal agents, were protected by the First Amendment of our Constitution. And for that, I was tackled, pepper sprayed, and detained.
The U.S. Attorney's Office in a statement said they filed the motion to drop the charge against Huerta because Huerta agreed to resolve his case through a diversion agreement, admitting to the charged facts and agreeing to comply with conditions. First Assistant U.S. Attorney Bill Asaley goes on to say Huerta has agreed to not interfere in federal enforcement operations. But if he breaks that agreement, Asaley says his office will not hesitate to refile felony charges.
It's unprecedented. The U.S. Attorney's Office doesn't usually file cases that they can't win.
Criminal defense attorney Diane Bass represented Luis Hippolito, seen here in this video punching a federal agent during an immigration raid last summer. Hippolito was charged with assault but was acquitted. Hippolito claimed he didn't know the masked agent was law enforcement. Bass's case was another in a string of losses for Asaley, President Trump's handpicked choice to lead the U.S. Attorney's Office.
They've now had 10 not guilties in these immigration cases, and I've heard about 29 dismissals, and this just never happened. So clearly they're filing cases that they can't win that are unfounded in the facts and the law. It's ridiculous.
The U.S. Attorney's Office denies the claims that they're recklessly filing charges and says they do not arrest people for peacefully protesting. As for Huerta, he remains defiant and says his case was dropped because it was bogus.
Our motions exposed a case that never should have been brought because it violated my constitutional rights.
According to the court documents, Huerta and the government signed off on a set of facts pertaining to the incident, stating that before Huerta's arrest, he did position himself in a driveway where the operation was unfolding, encouraged others to do the same, and resulted in an agent being unable to enter a gate. Rutabaga.
Tom, thank you.